we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Mike's Militaria at mikesmilitaria.com. Feel free to check out the web store. There's always a large variety of items. Get them while they're in stock. Check back often. Again, mikesmilitaria.com. Let's go ahead and open this. Let's get you out of the way, thank you. These are some previous stickers just for identification purposes. And let's go ahead and open this with a device here. Looks like there's a little bit of crushing during shipping, but I believe the objects in here are solid, so I don't think there's going to be any problem with damage. And today I believe we have a bunch of helmets, so in no particular order. Let's see what we got. Whoa, looks like we got a helmet net. Wow, thanks Mike. Let's set this aside real quick. And looks like two are interlaced with each other. Oh, there we go. So looks like we got a helmet liner there, 56 through 58. And this also the support system there. So you can see the liner, kind of plastic material. Let's put this back in before I mess it up too much. Take two. This is an Austrian M75 Steel Helmet. Medium, 56 to 58 centimeters. So it's very similar to an M1. And this can go over here. I can probably tighten that a little bit so that it actually fits a little bit tighter. I don't want to mess around with this. Alright, we already take enough time. But you can see how different kind of bumper stops there. Got a leather support system, canvas also here, and a kind of a cross pattern that way for the top of your head, and this goes around circumference of your head there. So okay, we'll rearrange these a little bit. You can see with the attachment system here, buckles, and it would separate right here at this point, the chin strap. Real easy. Okay, so we'll move along. We'll also put that in there. That can go over the top of that. And I'm going to move this box out of the way so we can get to the next two items. Kind of made some sketches just so I know which is which. Put some further bubble wrap here to keep this safe. And oh, look at that. These are the Cairo morale patches. You may have seen these before, but you can see the different types of threads used for stitching. Give you that appearance. Hook and latch back. These are my patch wall behind me. Not in camera range. Move the bubble wrap out of the way, and then get my scribbled notes here so I can see what I'm looking at. This is a Yugoslavian M1959/85 steel helmet used. Serbian Army. So there's our logo there. Double-headed eagle, swords, flag colors. So if you look here, you can see the shape of the helmet, the dip on the sides, the back. Nice wear to the finish. If you look on the inside, you can see looks like possibly the previous user's name. try to pronounce it. And then we have our chin strap. I'll clean up a little bit. And then we have our support system, leather headband. You can see how it attaches with these metal points here all the way around. Very nice. Set that down real quick. Flip this one over too. So Austrian, Yugoslavian. Get some of this tape and stuff away. I just cleaned this too. Oh well. Wow. Okay. There. And the third helmet is also a Yugoslavian. This is supposed to be Yugoslavian Army, also the M1959 85 pattern steel helmet used. You see the logo there. Very similar profile. A bit of wear to the finish. And similar support system. Let's do a quick comparison here. Profile-wise, yep, same profile, same interior. So metal clips here, all the way around. Here's our chin strap. The buckles there, very similar to the other one. Very nice. So again, two Yugoslavian M1959/85 pattern helmets. We got the Austrian M75. And we also had, if you could have heard that, might be Cairo patches. You can look up the history of those. And this is what came with the helmet cover. So you can see the elastic to help the tension once you lay it on top of the helmet. Kind of see how that will go. This will go all the way around. See how much slack there is of the material. That does open quite a bit. So I want to give you guys a quick unboxing video. Again, these all came from mikesmilitaria.com, and feel free to check out the online web store. And just want to give you an unboxing video for these items, and feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do more specific show and tell videos of vintage and milsurp items. We also do selection of book review, media reviews, as well as curios for the curious videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.